what are some of those common trouble spots we see with web accessibility? I couldn't believe what you were telling me off air about the knowledge some folks have about this. It's nil, some of them. I mean, they're putting brand content out there, and the level of knowledge is not quite there for everyone. So what are some of those common trouble spots you see with brands?
The common trouble spots are, the biggest one is education. A lot of people don't realize that this is not a choice. It's not something you get to decide if you want to do in making your content available to everyone. It's a law. And you'll find yourself in court, and you can check sites like accessibility.com, which was mentioned in Steve-O's article. They have a running tab of lawsuits. It will blow your mind how many lawsuits there are. And they range from, they don't discriminate, no pun intended. They go from mom and pops to massive Fortune 500 companies. And they are it's like shooting fish in a barrel. And usually the marketing department is the one that gets the first contact because they're in charge of the website most of the time. But the problem falls off where third parties are creating websites for these marketers, handing them back over with no agreement in place for compliance. So what happens is when the lawsuit comes in, it doesn't go to the developer, it goes to the domain owner. So all of a sudden you've got a bunch of people, and I've seen these meetings where they're like, how could this have happened? You've got to start way back at the beginning and plan for this accessibility now that you're aware of all the lawsuits. And you just can't sit around and hope it's going to just go away, because the lawsuits are up year over year.